Hello everyone, I welcome back to our HTML series. So far, we have learned about the HTML works, created our first page, and explored element and attribute. So in this lecture, we shall focus on the most common text-related tag in HTML, like heading, paragraphs, and text formatting. So these are the backbone of writing any web content. So, without wasting time, just move towards the topic. So, the first one which we will discuss like heading in HTML. Heading in HTML. So, in HTML, provide like six level of heading, which start from the H1 and go to the H6. So, H1 is the largest one, and H6 is the small. Okay, smallest heading. Okay, so just go to the VS Code and just see what's the difference between H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, so let me open my VS Code. Okay, so uh, okay, so in the body, I will come and I will write like H1, H1, and this is H1 tag. Okay, or you can say H1 heading. And when you will go down, this is H2 heading, this is H3 heading, this is H4, H5, and H6. Okay, so these all are the types of the heading. So we'll see like what is the difference between these all. So let me open the web page. Yeah, so in the browser, you can see like the first one is the largest one, and as we are going to the H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6, the size of the heading is getting reduced. Okay, so this is the difference between the H1 and the H6 tag, and this is the size variation between the H1 and the H6. Okay, so now we'll move forward to the paragraph. So let's go to the notepad and understand it first, then we will come to the VS Code for the practical demo. Okay, so second one is your paragraph. So paragraph are writing using the P tag, okay, and the automatically add the spacing before any after text, okay. So, in the paragraph, they automatically add the spacing before and after the text. So, what it mean? So, let me open the VS Code and let you guys to understand this. So, I think H1 to H6 it is clear. So, let me remove this and see here. As I have created the paragraph tag and let me write down like this is a paragraph in HTML. This is paragraph in HTML. Okay, and the second paragraph we will create. So another paragraph will be displayed below. So, this two paragraph I have created. So the first paragraph is like, so just see the output, like how the it look like on the page. So, oh, this is now it's okay. This is paragraph in HTML. Another paragraph will be displayed below. Yeah. So the mean of like when you are like creating the second paragraph, it will automatically take the spacing before the first paragraph and the second paragraph. Okay, I hope I am clear with the paragraph. So moving further, which is line break and horizontal rule. So let me go to the notepad. So the third one is like your line breaks and horizontal rules. So in this, like the first we are using like BR. So it insert a line break uh, and the second one which we are using like HR. So what it did, it insert a horizontal line, okay, divider. It insert a horizontal line divider. So just see a practical demo for this. So for that, let me open the VS Code and let me write the this paragraph. If I will write the content of the paragraph, let me copy. Okay. So what happen if I will write this in this i- in the same paragraph? So the all content come in the same line. And now if I want to give some space, so how I can give? So using the BR tag. So see, using the BR tag, the after the HTML and the another paragraph will be displayed below. It come in the second line. Okay. So this is the use of the BR tag, and now I will show you the like working of the BR HR tag. Okay. So if I will give like HR tag. So what it does basically, it divide the line and it will draw a divider line, okay, between the two lines. So basically it insert the horizontal line divider. So it basically dividing the both line, okay, with the scaling one line also, okay. So this is about the line break and horizontal rule. So moving further for the text formatting tag which we are using. So let me go to the notepad and understand it first. Then we will see the practical demo for everyone. So the first one is like B tag. Okay. So B tag we are using for bold and then a strong tag like which we are using for the important text like your semantic bold. And next we have I tag, or you can say it like italic, which is visual. And next we have em. So em means like emphasized text. And next we have u means underline, and then we have mark for highlight the text. And then we have like small. So small tag is used for the smaller text. And then we have like del. Del is used for deleted text. And the last one, which I have like INS. So this is used for text, inserted text, or basically underline. It will draw the underline between the text what you will write. Okay. And then the last two one, which is left with superscript and subscript. So superscript, superscript and subscript, script, superscript and subscript. Okay. So let's see the demo for this all things. So let me go to the VS Code and I hope this is clear. So let me remove this and now I will write the one paragraph and in that only we'll see the example for all. Okay. Or leave it just one by one. I am going to give you the demo. So first like B tag. So B tag is used for the bold. Okay. So suppose I will write like Siddharth. It come in the bold. Okay. And the second one is like a strong tag. The like let me write the Siddharth in this one also. Okay, see, there is no difference between both. Okay, there is the all are same. Okay, but the B tag which we are using for the visual styling and the strong tag which we are using like the important text or the semantic bold you can say. Okay, and the next one which I have learned about the I tag. I tag means italic. So let me write down the Siddharth in this one. So see how it is coming. Okay. So the letter are little bit tilted. Okay. So this is the italic form. And then I have told you about the emphasized text. Okay. So in emphasized text and italic tag, there is one little bit difference. Like italic is used for the visual and emphasized text is used for the semantic italic. Okay. So the next one is your uh, underline text. So if you will like Siddharth, so there is one underline. Okay, and when you will write the next, I have told you like mark, and inside the mark, if you will write like Siddharth, so it will highlight that part. Okay, so it will highlight that, and let me give the one space, and if I will write like small tag and if I will write like Siddharth, so the font size will be small with compared to the normal font. And if I will write like delete and Siddharth, so see the it is look like different. So there is one horizontal line which are drawn, but in the middle of the word. Okay, so the next one is like INS and see the INS and U tag is like same, but there is one small difference like it is used for the inserted text. Okay, so the next one is like superscript and subscript. Okay, so suppose for example like you have to write the H2O formula. Okay, so how you are going to write that? And you have to write the what it say. X square. So how you will write it? So it is written like with the help of subscript and superscript. So let's take an example. So let me create a paragraph tag, and I have to write like the formula of the formula of water is, I have to write like H2O. So if I will write like, it doesn't make sense. So I have to write like the proper formatting. So how I will write like, I will write the H, and then I will give the subscript H space sub subscript subscript, and then in between I will write like 2, and then I will write O. Okay. So see, now the formatting is good, I think. Okay. So this is how I can use the subscript. And suppose if I have to use like the superscript, then how I will use. Okay. So inside the p tag, suppose I have to write like the x squared. So I can write it like the x square is written like, and how what I will use superscript now. So I have to write like x superscript superscript and then 2. Okay. So see, this is the proper formatting, like uh, how the x squared is written and how the h2 is written. Okay. So this is only possible of using the subscript and the superscript. So I hope I am clear with the today's lecture, and I hope you get the little bit information about the text formatting. So by this soap, in the next lecture, we will look at the list and the links in the HTML, so which are essential for navigation and organizing information on a web page. So until practice by writing a small article using heading, paragraphs, and formatting text. So see you in the next lecture. If you guys really feel like it is helpful for you, so please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share it with your friend, because यार सब्सक्राइबर भी उतना ही जरूरी है यार जितना लाइक्स जरूरी है. Okay. So see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.